Imagine a future where the open road merges seamlessly with five-star luxury, where legendary automotive names completely redefine the meaning of freedom on wheels. By 2026, motorhomes are no longer simple travel vehicles. They have evolved into intelligent, self-sustaining living spaces built for performance, comfort, and prestige. From advanced hybrid efficiency to breathtaking luxury craftsmanship, these five motorhomes stand at the pinnacle of mobile living, transforming innovation, power, and elegance into true rolling masterpieces. Number 1, 2026 Toyota Motorhome marks a bold step into the future of intelligent travel, crafted for explorers who value reliability, efficiency, and smart innovation. Its exterior showcases a sleek, aerodynamic design rooted in Toyota's modern styling, supported by a lightweight yet reinforced chassis that balances durability with fuel efficiency. Whether cruising highways or venturing off-grid, this motorhome is engineered to handle diverse terrains with confidence and stability. At its core lies an advanced hybrid powertrain, combining an Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors to deliver strong torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive fuel economy for extended journeys. Intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension work together to maintain control and comfort, while multiple drive modes allow the vehicle to adapt seamlessly to eco-focused driving or more demanding road conditions. Inside, the motorhome opens into a thoughtfully designed living space that blends technology with comfort. The digital cockpit features a large touchscreen infotainment system, customizable displays, and voice control for a distraction-free driving experience. The living and sleeping areas are spacious and inviting, finished with eco-friendly materials, soft ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions. A fully equipped kitchenette, modern bathroom, and off-grid support through rooftop solar panels and lithium battery storage ensure comfort and independence, making this Toyota motorhome a true companion for long-distance sustainable travel. Number 2, 2026 BMW Motorhome. The 2026 BMW Motorhome represents a confident expansion of the brand into the luxury RV segment, blending sporty design with precision engineering. Its exterior immediately stands out with a bold aerodynamic profile shaped by unmistakable BMW styling cues. Lightweight composite construction enhances efficiency while maintaining strength, giving the motorhome a refined yet performance-oriented presence on the road. At the heart of this vehicle is a sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged inline-six engine with electric motors. This setup delivers smooth, immediate torque and quiet cruising, making long journeys feel effortless. Selectable driving modes allow the experience to shift between comfort-focused travel and more dynamic performance, while adaptive air suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive provide stability and control across highways, city streets, and uneven terrain. Inside, the cabin reflects the atmosphere of a premium BMW sedan. A curved OLED display paired with the iDrive 9 system places navigation, entertainment, and vehicle functions within easy reach, supported by advanced connectivity and intuitive controls. The living area is designed for refined comfort, featuring convertible lounge seating and elegant finishes. A well-equipped kitchen supports extended travel, while the bedroom offers a calm, luxurious retreat. The bathroom delivers hotel-grade amenities, completing the experience. Solar power support enhances efficiency, and advanced driver assistance and safety technologies ensure every journey is secure, smooth, and unmistakably BMW. Number 3, 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome embodies American engineering at its most versatile, designed to deliver power, comfort, and adaptability for families and adventurous travelers alike. Built on a heavy-duty platform, its exterior features bold, aerodynamic lines, prominent LED lighting, and a commanding front fascia that immediately signals strength and reliability. High ground clearance and robust alloy wheels equip it for highways and off-grid exploration, making every journey both safe and exciting. Beneath the hood, a potent V8 engine works in harmony with a hybrid electric system, providing strong torque, towing capability, and responsive performance. An advanced automatic transmission ensures smooth power delivery, while adaptive cruise control enhances highway cruising. This combination makes the motorhome both powerful and efficient, capable of handling long-distance travel without compromise. Inside, the Chevrolet motorhome offers spacious, thoughtfully designed living areas. The lounge converts easily for seating or sleeping, while the dining area and fully equipped kitchen include a microwave, dual-burner cooktop, refrigerator, and ample storage. Flexible sleeping options accommodate families or small groups, complemented by a compact yet fully functional bathroom. Climate-controlled zones, solar panels, and an integrated water filtration system enable comfortable off-grid living. Technology and convenience define the interior, with a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration, and smart home-style controls for lighting, climate, and security. Comprehensive driver assistance features, including lane-keeping support, automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts, ensure every journey is as safe as it is luxurious, making this motorhome a complete mobile living solution. Number 4, 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is the ultimate statement of opulence and engineering mastery, where travel transcends transportation to become an art form. Its exterior commands attention with a towering silhouette, signature Pantheon grille, coach-style doors, and chrome accents, all executed with the precision and elegance only Rolls-Royce can achieve. Every line and contour exudes grandeur, while customizable paint and bespoke finishes elevate it to a rolling masterpiece. Beneath this majestic frame lies a hybrid V12 powertrain, delivering effortless acceleration and a whisper-quiet ride. Advanced adaptive air suspension and the renowned Magic Carpet system ensure that every mile glides with unparalleled smoothness, whether traversing highways or remote landscapes. The seamless performance complements an interior crafted for absolute comfort and refinement. Inside, hand-selected leather, rich wood veneers, and crystal inlays define a space of bespoke luxury. A private lounge with starlight headliner and reclining massage seats invites relaxation, while a discreet cinema system transforms entertainment into a cinematic experience. The kitchen is compact yet elegant, featuring state-of-the-art appliances, and the master suite offers a king-size bed with customizable lighting. A spa-inspired bathroom boasts marble finishes, heated floors, and advanced fixtures, blending luxury with functionality. Connectivity is cutting-edge, with voice and gesture controls, 5G integration, and solar-powered off-grid energy support. Every element of this motorhome reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to sustainability, exclusivity, and a lifestyle defined by unparalleled sophistication. Number 5. 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome redefines the limits of mobile luxury, fusing hypercar performance with an elite living experience on wheels. Its exterior is a vision of aerodynamic mastery, with sharp lines, carbon fiber accents, and an extended sculpted body designed for both stability and elegance. LED matrix headlights, active air intakes, and an adaptive suspension system give it an aggressive yet refined stance, signaling power even at a standstill. Two-tone paint options pay homage to Bugatti's racing heritage while emphasizing its bespoke character. Under the hood, a quad-turbocharged W16 engine paired with a hybrid electric system delivers breathtaking torque and seamless acceleration. Advanced all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and intelligent air suspension ensure that this high-performance motorhome handles every road with precision and confidence while maintaining a serene, comfortable interior environment. Inside, the motorhome transforms into a 5-star retreat. Premium materials like Alcantara, polished carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum line every surface. Panoramic digital displays and AI-driven interfaces control navigation, climate, and entertainment, while swivel captain chairs seamlessly integrate with the living area. The lounge features a customizable sofa, hidden OLED TV, and immersive sound system. A gourmet kitchen offers a wine chiller, induction stove, and smart appliances. The master suite includes a king-size retractable bed, ambient lighting, and spa-level bathroom with rainfall shower and heated floors. Every detail is optimized for security, automation, and practicality, from facial recognition entry to concealed outdoor kitchens, under-chassis storage, and retractable awnings, creating a mobile sanctuary that embodies precision, performance, and uncompromising luxury.